Qualification match number 39. Preston Valley quickly jumps off of level 2. All three red robots are off the half. 68, 63, trying to place a hatch panel onto their cargo ship before that cargo gets ejected. 1895, they try to place a hatch panel onto the cargo ship. Their hatch panel falls down and the cargo gets ejected. Unfortunately, 68, 63 apparently had the same issue. Could not quite get that hook and loop to keep that hatch panel on. And the cargo ship ejected the cargo at the end of the storm. Red Lions has the lead 25-14. Decor over there grabbing a cargo from their storage. Decor heading over here trying to place it into their cargo ship. $40.99 Falcon is driving the robot Millennium Falcon. They're placing hatch covers here on the far side with the rocket. They get one up there. $18.95 working together with the Falcons. That's Decor placing cargo into that rocket. Meanwhile, their alliance partner 4242 Fresh Tech. The robot Bones trying to place cargo up there. They launch one up there, it bounces down, it comes back down, and it bounces back. 37 seconds left. Red Lions has the lead, 33-25. $40.99 Falcons doing a great job placing covers here on this red rock right in front of us. 45 seconds left. Red Lions still has the lead. $18.95 Decor looks like they're heading over to the pad to go do a climb. $40.99 Falcons trying to place cargo. Can they get it in? 10 seconds left. That cargo's worth 3 points.